Everyone, my name is Shishir Nigam and welcome to our channel Journey to Freedom, where you can follow along on our journey to financial freedom through the worlds of Shopify and dropshipping. Make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bells so you get to know every single time we put out a brand new video. Today we'll be talking about 5 tips in 5 minutes of how to create a highly converting product page for your Shopify store. So make sure you stay till the end of the video to catch all your important tips and hit the like button if you're finding value in the content. So let's get right into it. So 5 tips in 5 minutes. Let's get started. So here are the 5 tips that we'll be covering: emotional benefits, product images, GIFs, product reviews, and frequently asked questions. So diving straight in, the first tip: make sure when you write product descriptions, you are focusing on emotional benefits, not just listing the features of the product. Don't worry about the features. People do not buy products because they like the features of the product. People buy a product because they like the problem that it solves for them. So take an example here from a popular website for dropshipping called Inspire Uplift. And this is a simple pineapple slicer product that they have on their website. But if you read the description, it's all about emotions. If you love fresh pineapple as much as we do, then this is a must-have kitchen utensil. The core slicer, slice an entire pineapple in 60 seconds start to finish. So there's emotions, there's talk about how you'll save time. So it's all about the benefits that the product provides, not just the feature that, oh, it's stainless steel. So they do mention that as well, the materials, but at the end of the product description, not at the beginning. So you have to focus the consumer on the emotional benefit that they'll get. Tip number 2, product imagery. So again, take your inspiration from other successful websites and how they do their product imagery, and you'll notice that the key theme is to be clean. Have some kind of color consistency if possible. You'll notice another website here, bluecrate.com. This is another dropshipping store. You see how they present their imagery. It's very clear, very focused, and on point. It's only the product that is visible. There are no distractions. And there's color consistency throughout the imagery, right? So you don't have images with different backgrounds. Keep the photos large and zoomed in, and make sure there's no clutter. Very often from AliExpress, when you get imagery, they will have different logos and Chinese characters on it. Make sure you're not using those photographs on your website. If you are, make sure you get it cleaned up either yourself in Photoshop, or you can hire somebody on Fiverr for a small amount to get it cleaned up. Hope you're finding value in the content so far, guys, and if you are, make sure you smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell so that you get to know every single time that we put out a brand new video. And make sure you stay till the end of this one to catch all the content, and comment below on what you like and what you'd like to hear about. Stay with us. Tip number 3, do you include GIFs or not? Now, this is an interesting debate. So what are the advantages of including a GIF in your product description? The main thing is that it quickly shows you why the product is beneficial to you. It shows you why it's a good solution, right? So it's much more effective than just images in conveying the benefits of a problem-solving product, for example. It's much more eye-catching, so as people are scrolling down, movement in the GIF will naturally draw the eye of the viewer. The disadvantages are that it will slow down your load page time, and significantly sometimes, because the GIFs just take longer to load than images. And the statistic is that for every additional second of lag that you have on your product page in load time, you are reducing your conversion rate by 7%. So we're not talking small numbers here. So you have to really weigh that for yourself. The other thing is that the page ends up looking a bit untrustworthy and a bit more spammy. You'll notice the big brands like Nike and Adidas, they never have GIFs on their stores to be, showing their products. They may have videos, but not GIFs. So the verdict would be, I would personally use GIFs if you are selling a problem-solving product, where the GIF can very quickly encapsulate what the issue is and what it's trying to solve. For other types of products, leave out the GIFs. Tip number 4, product reviews. Product reviews have a big impact on establishing trust for the viewer who's coming to check out your website. So make sure you have one review that you highlight above the fold. Above the fold means literally as high up in the product description as possible, so that it's visible when the customer first lands on your page. And that social proof has a very big impact in convincing the customer that other people are trusting your product and your website. One idea that I can also offer you is take a screenshot of positive comments that you're receiving on your Facebook ad and put them on your product description page as another form of social proof. Tip number 5, frequently asked questions. Include FAQs on your product description itself. So review and read through Amazon reviews of your product, look at AliExpress reviews of the product, and understand what are the most common questions people are coming up with in regards to your product, and address them in the product description itself. Come up with the top 5 FAQs and write them down and answer them in the product description. It may make the description longer, but it will give you those customers who have a question but cannot be bothered to write an email to you. So you'll get those customers buying from you because their query got answered. So I hope you found those 5 tips useful. If you found some value in the video, hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned for the next one coming up.